In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Snapchat Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can jump straight into viewing your campaign performance without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Snapchat ads. This is the quickest way to get to the right place without memorizing a URL. When the results load, look for Snapchat's official domain. The genuine link will point you to Snapchat for Business or directly to Ads Manager. You'll typically see the domain ending with snapchat.com, and the page will reference advertising or business tools. Avoid third-party sites or articles for this step. You want to land on Snapchat's own platform. Once you've found the correct result, click through to the official page. You should see options related to advertising, including an overview of Snapchat's ad solutions. From here, locate the Login button. It's usually in the upper right corner of the screen and clearly labeled. Click Login and sign in with the same credentials you use for your Snapchat business presence. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as prompted. This ensures you're securely accessing your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll see the business menu, often showing your business name or a selector if you have access to multiple accounts. Click that area and choose Manage Ads. This takes you straight into Snapchat Ads Manager, which is the central hub for monitoring and managing your advertising activity. When Ads Manager opens, you'll land on the default view. This is your dashboard for tracking the performance of existing campaigns. Front and center, you'll see a table listing your campaigns, and you may be able to toggle between campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads. Common metrics include impressions, reach, swipe-ups or clicks, spend, and cost efficiency figures. You'll also notice a date range selector, filters, and a search bar. Handy tools for narrowing down what you're seeing. Even without changing anything, this view gives you a clear snapshot of what's running and how it's performing at a glance. That's the full path. Search for Snapchat ads, click the official link, log in, open the business menu at the top left, and select Manage Ads to arrive at the default performance view. With these steps, you can confidently access Snapchat Ads Manager anytime and quickly get oriented to your active campaigns.